What's up, YouTube? Mr. Random checking in, baby. Today, y'all know we on. We on that 78 Trans Am. Y'all lock in. I'm about to lock the roof in. I went picked up the windshield today. The windshield over here. I can show it to y'all right quick if y'all want to see. I got the windshield. Windshield right here, gang. $225. 78 Trans Am. We all see it. So I'm about to get this roof locked down close as possible. And I'm going to cut you on. Actually, I'll show you what's going on right quick. So I've been trying to get it close as possible. The good thing about it, we got it pretty close. You see the top of that spot right there? They gotta go to the top of this one. So it gotta come down a little bit. I just got it held in place. On this here side, she pretty much on her money. The bottom of that hole is at the bottom of the hole. You see it? See what I'm talking about? So let me play with it a little bit more. I'm gonna trim that side and I'm gonna trim this side. I'm just gonna take my time. I think I need to cut this here down a little bit, but I'm gonna see. I just wanna get it real close and then we'll go from there. I can put the glass on. I don't know how that glass gonna work. I guess, well, cause this here ball, look, I might have a problem with that, putting that glass in. Actually, I might have to maybe cut that ball out. I might have to cut that ball out, but I ain't gonna do that till I get this here, till I think it's close enough. Actually, I could probably pull some measurements too. So y'all lock in, comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna holler at you in a little bit, gang. All right, gang. All right, gang. We finally got something done, man. So this here side, it was like, it wasn't even a 1/4 inch out. So what I did, I took that strap right there, tied it to the garage door. I pulled the roof. Come on, come to me. Pulled the roof this way. I took out that brace that was on this side here, and I made it work. It might have been a little off, but she on point now. I pulled from that corner to here, which I could do now. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all right quick. Let me show y'all right quick, baby. Pull from that corner to here. Look, 70. 70 on the money. You see that? And then I pull from this little tab right there on the bottom. I ain't go to the tab, and I went to the roof. What we got? 35. Now let's go on the other side and see what we got, baby. Oh, it's all gravy. I measured the windshield too. It was 27 from the middle to here. Talk to me, TTM. So let's see if we can get that 70 from that corner here. Let's see if we can get that 70, baby. Let's see if we can get that old 70. Huh? 70. 70. Talk to me. 70. And let's see if we can get this here, that old 35 from the body. And front that cutout to the roof. Bow. You hear me? So I gotta finish welding up this here. I took the rubber seal out of there. I ain't do nothing with this side, but you see that notch out? It's to the bottom of the original notch out. I actually cut this shit out. I probably didn't need to do that. I should have did that. But I was trying to free it up to where it ain't had too much pressure on it. I might cut out a little bit more up here and weld a little plate up in here, because they got some aluminum, some lead up in here. And it's like right up in here. So I might cut it up above and just weld me a plate up in there. I gotta finish taking out that back trim, the seal, so I can put the back glass in. And on this side here, what I did, you see the top notch out on the roof? I just matched it to the top notch out on the body and put a little tack right there. So I'm gonna try to fit the glass in, make sure everything all Gucci. And y'all talk to me, man. Talk to me, Mr. Randall. Mr. Randall, we're a little tired, gang. But we got a 4L60E. We didn't rebuild. That's right. That's right, huh? 4L60E we didn't rebuild. And I got a motor over there, turbo motor, that we're gonna put up in the Trans Am. Now I need to repair this here hole right here. See that hole, gang? They got a little hole right there. I'm gonna pull this back seat out, because I know there's a little hole back there. I started sanding down the frame. I'm gonna keep on sanding him down. I've been pricing some control arms. I probably just wind up going with Speed Engineer, like old Willie Rebuilds recommended. That's right. That's right, yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these springs, and I probably could keep the spindles. I might need new calipers, but we're gonna see once I break it all down. But if y'all look close, look at that. They got a little hole up in there. So I'm gonna pull this back seat out. I wanna do something about this too. So y'all talk to me, man. Let me know what you think. Mr. Random, you heard me? Oh yeah, yeah. Talk to me, baby. Let me know what you think, huh? Talk to me. Trans Am almost ready or what? I'm gonna stay on until she ready. That's what I know I'm gonna do. You see, we got the Monte Carlo parts up there. I need to paint them up. I might swap up and paint them. Huh? Talk to me now. Come on now. I'm working, baby. I'm working at my own pace. We ain't rushing, and we ain't working for nobody else. I'm working for myself, baby. I'm just doing what I like to do. Have a little fun in my garage. I'm holler at you, hear me? Talk to me. Talk to me, TTM. Huh? Huh? JG say we from Conda. We from yonder. Talk to me. Alright, so I'm gonna put the tip of the tape measure in the back of this circle. Alright, now I'm gonna come up here. I'm gonna lay it against the body. And what you got? You got 33 and a half. You see it? 33 and a half. Now let's go to the other side. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay. You see the spot right here? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna put the back of the tape measure. Put the back of the tape measure right there. What we got up here to the frame? 33 and a half, baby. So I'm gonna go ahead on and lock him in place. Now this gap right here, I'm just gonna put a piece of metal behind that, tack it up, and then we'll come with our filler on the top side. So we lined up with our factory holes. See that, that's a split right there. And on the same side as the other one. I showed y'all the measurements from this corner to here, from that corner, from that top to right there. We got our 27 from here to there. which is our glass. We can't really see, but I believe the glue is right there. And we can pull that right now. Might have to get right in the center of the cup. You see it. Let me try to move some of this stuff so you can really see it. So you can really see it. So that was the glass right there. Let me see if I can set y'all up. Actually, the whole glass. Look like we got about 25 right there to where the glue started. But the whole glass gonna come actually all the way down here. Yeah, the glass gonna come down here. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Talk to me. The glass gonna, that's the seal for the glass right there. Look, you see it down there? We're gonna fall right at 27. Right at it. So we good, man. I'm about to go ahead on and lock him down. What's up, YouTube? I'm trying to patch this thing up, man. And the problem that I'm running into, they got lead up in here on this underside here where the roof spliced to the body. And you see what it's doing? I try to close that gap up by adding a piece. I might cut that piece out, cut that whole lead out, then add a piece to this one here. But check it out. You see this part right there? Where it meet at? It's filled with lead. So I'm gonna keep on burning through like that right there. So I'm thinking about just cutting that strip out and adding a piece from probably up here somewhere to here. So that's where we at with it. Once we get that done or situated, I'm gonna holler at you. But appreciate y'all for watching. Be sure to comment, like, share, subscribe. Other than that, I think everything else good, baby. Y'all talk to me. All right, YouTube. So I wound up cutting the factory lead patch out because it was just melting it. Actually, you can see they still had some at the bottom here. You see that right there? That's lead. It's melting it. But I think I got it pretty good. I'm just gonna grind that stuff down. See right there? It's lead, so I probably should have came all the way up here somewhere. But she look good. Everything lined up nice and pretty. Pretty straight. I'm grind it down. Finish welling up these corners. Y'all saw I had fitted the glass up. The back glass. I told y'all I got the front glass, so we just gonna stay with it, you hear me? Comment, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for rocking me, baby. Be sure to turn that post notification on. We're gonna be back with plenty more. Holla. Alright, gang. I just cut out this here patch, man. I'm gonna just show y'all right quick how I do it. It's been heavy too for the lead. So I just take a Sharpie. I tape it up. It's a few layers, and I just take a Sharpie and I run it on the outside of the line. Once I got what I need, man, I just transfer it over the metal. That's it. And then I cut it out. Then I cut out the metal, you heard me? You just want to follow that edge. And follow the edge, right? This shit ain't hard to do. Bam, there's him. So now I just gotta find a piece of metal. Once I cut that out, I transferred the metal, cut this out, trim the metal, cut it on the outside the line. And this one I'm gonna tell you. That's how you spell that? No. B-E-L, believe, and huh? Believe in yourself. You're supposed to go like this. Yeah. Believe in yourself, you heard me? Talk to me. T-C-M. Talk to me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Huh? Believe. Believe in yourself, baby. Come on now, talk to me.